Hello kids, welcome back to video classes. Yes, when I am talking, you will come to know what I am speaking, isn't it? Yes, if I say in Kannada, if I say in English, if I speak in Hindi, then you will come to know in which language I am talking and what I am talking. If you know those languages, you will come to know what I am talking, isn't it? Yes, when I want to say something, I will speak some words, isn't it? Yes, that is we call as conversation. What about animals or birds? How do they speak? Very good. They will not speak. They will make some sounds. Isn't it? By saying or by giving that sound, another animal that will get what it is saying. That is the language of animals. That sound we call as sounds of animals and birds. Yes, children. That's your lesson number 26. Sounds of animals and birds. How we say English, Hindi, Kannada, Marathi, Telugu like that. Many other languages also there like that. Animals also having their own languages. Means they will speak or they will make some sound or signs, through that they will converse to each other. Okay, that's your today's topic, lesson number 26, sounds of animals. We'll see which animal makes what sound and what do we call that as. How? Come here, go there. For that we'll say English like that. When an elephant makes sound, we say some word for that. What is that? Trumpet. When a cow calls another cow or a cow makes sound, what do we say for that sound? Cow moves. When a cat says meow, yes, it's also language. It's also language of cat. Yes, for that sounds we have some names. Today in this video we'll see which animal makes what sound and what do we people call it as. Okay? Yes, through this video we'll come to know what animal makes what sounds. Okay, we'll all see what they are.